Hi guys, so I'm just going to give you a little run through the Tesla Freelander systems. It's the install because we've had a couple of people who are having some issues with no sound and stuff like that. So I'm just give you let's see if I can turn that off 1 second. I don't know what that beeping is, so apologies on the beeping in the background. So I'm just going to give you a little run through where the cables are connected. So a lot of them are self-explanatory, like these ones which can only go in one place. But you have on the DENSO car, you have 3 fiber optic cables. On the Bosch, you only have 1. So you have this one which comes out of the back of this system here, which is your buttons, and you have another one optic cable which comes out the back of this one, which is the screen. So obviously you can put optic loop cables on there so it doesn't break the connection. And then you have another optic cable that comes out the back of the part down below, which is this one, that goes into this optic box here. So that's pretty paramount that these two have the loops, and this one here has the connection. RCA cables, you see, like for like, you still have some AV-ins and some RCA cables and a power cable. They're just connected to the aux in L and R. So, and obviously make sure you got power on these ones, which comes off the box. Make sure you got power on and a ground off those two there. So yeah, okay, that's pretty much it. Thanks a lot.